Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally getting back on this 68, trying to get running. Jason has suggested that possibly the condenser's messed up. That's what he said was wrong with that super Beetle he found. So I headed over to Napa and picked a new one up. And so hopefully we'll get it running. So I'm gonna put this in. It's the first time I'm doing this kind of thing, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I got the new condenser installed. Took a little bit of effort because I've never done this before, so the replacement process was a little bit, I don't want to say difficult, because it wasn't, but having never done it before, it was more than I expected it to be. But I got it on. By more than I expected, I mean I had to, I don't know if I can say by accident, but the tire distributor actually came out and anyway, it's on. All the wires are hooked up. Got rid of the extra wires. And now we can hopefully get it started. Alright, I'm hopeful. Got the new condenser. I put a little bit of oil in it. Got some starting fluid in it. Even though I know you guys don't like that. But let's hope. That's extremely disappointing. Well, we seem to have an issue here. New condenser, some oil. Oil's well where it needs to be. Condenser's brand new from Napa. I really don't know. Alright, so I found a simple mistake. Distributor, when I took it out, wasn't seated fully, so it wasn't spinning. Obviously, stupid mistake on my part, but I'm not too mechanically inclined. More of a body guy, so I don't notice these things. But let's try again. And still nothing. Unfortunate, really. Oh, let's make sure it's spun. Not top dead center. And hold on. Not top dead center. Good. So that's properly seated. Oh, come on. There we go. That's properly seated. I know you might have just seen this move because it's not tightened all the way. All this is hooked up. This is the new wire. Everything is properly connected, including this. I should hear a... You know what? Hold on. I'll tell you right now. Yeah, it'll start. Solar line's working. So I don't know. No idea at all. Could still not be getting spark at the plugs, which could be plug wires, which would be a simple fix, but I don't know. I suppose, but they're all routed. They say I could steal them off of my car, the 67. Well, they're both my cars. I could steal them off the 67 and try, but I don't know if I really want to do that because I know the 67 runs and I don't want to mess that up. I'd appreciate any help, tips, anything, because I would really like to get this running. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was not as eventful as I was hoping it's going to be, but you know, it's a video nonetheless on the 68. Maybe there'll be a part 3 if I keep doing stuff to it, if I figure out what's wrong with it, because it's not starting, and I couldn't tell you why. It's got spark at the points, it's got a new condenser, it's got a good coil, it's got a key. It is allowing fuel in, so I have no idea. So give me some hints, tips. If you know exactly why this isn't happening, I would really enjoy that, because I'd like to get it running. But thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more, because this car, maybe if there's going to be a part 3, it'll be running. If there's no part 3, obviously wasn't running. That 67 Beetle that I've been working on, more body work to come on that, getting painted soon. And that bus, once this 67's painted, I'm going right to that, and I've already got a couple things for that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.